Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. This morning, of course, we'll be going over some exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. While you're at it, make sure you turn those notifications on so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Okay, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. It looks like we'll be starting the week off with U.S. stock futures well into the green. We have the S&P 500 futures up 0.57%, Dow futures up 0.59%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.52%. Shares of Virgin Galactic are dipping in the pre-market this morning after the company announced that they would be postponing their next space flight until at least mid-October. It blamed a potential manufacturing defect in a component that could have been installed in the company's vehicles. Unity 23, the company's next test flight, was expected to take place late this month or in early October with the Italian Air Force. In early September, the FAA said that it would halt the company's next space flights for now, following a trip that took Sir Richard Branson to space. The issue was over the flight's deviation from its intended path during the July 11th flight. Virgin Galactic said that this latest issue is unrelated to the FAA matter and that the earliest it expects to open its flight window was mid-October. The space stock currently comes in as a hold with an average upside of 40%. Next up, we have Apple, who is hosting a virtual product launch tomorrow on Tuesday and also is said to be ramping up their investment in the online streaming arena. Reuters reported that the iPhone maker intends to spend more than $500 million in marketing its streaming service Apple TV this year. In addition to marketing Apple TV, Apple also intends to bolster its content library with new TV shows and movies. The companies plan to release at least one show or movie per week next year, more than double what it currently releases. Analysts currently rate the Apple stock a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 12%. Wells Fargo is being fined $250 million for not paying back customers that were previously wronged. The Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, or OCC, had fined the bank $1 billion 3 years ago and asked it to pay back wrong customers after the company accepted that it had opened 3.5 million fake accounts between 2002 and 2017. This helped its employees in earning bonuses on the sale of new products. They also charged unnecessary insurance premiums from over 500,000 customers on their car loans. The acting comptroller of the OCC said that Wells Fargo has not met the requirements of their 2008 action against the bank and that is unacceptable. The Wells Fargo stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of over 13%. And Amazon is closing in on a multi-year deal that could see them acquire the rights to the National Football League's Sunday Ticket. According to CNBC, the league is eyeing a deal of between $2 and $2.5 billion per year for the package. Additionally, it wants to complete the deal before February when the current season ends. DirecTV is the current owner of the rights, with its contract with the NFL poised to expire after the 2022-23 season. Amazon is seen as a frontrunner following NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell insisting that the out-of-market Sunday game package would be well suited to a digital platform. They do face stiff competition to the rights as they believe that Disney is also in talks with the league, and Apple is another company believed to have shown strong interest as well. The Amazon stock comes in as a unanimous strong buy with an average upside of over 21%. Now moving over to some notable earnings reports. The pre-market is quite quiet with earnings this morning. In the after hours, we'll be hearing from Oracle and SeaChange International, and tomorrow morning we'll be hearing from Fuel Cell Energy. At the close of market on Friday, we heard from supermarket chain Kroger, who reported better than expected Q2 results, but shares dropped 7.5%. The company reported adjusted earnings of 80 cents per share, up 9.6% year over year, and meaningfully surpassing the street's estimates of 64 cents per share. To add to that, their total sales for the quarter climbed 3.9% to $31.68 billion, again beating analyst estimates of $30.6 billion. Based on the continued business momentum and sustainable food-at-home trends, Kroger lifted its full-year fiscal 2021 guidance as well. Analysts currently rate the Kroger stock a hold with a downside potential of 8.6%. So let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by NextGen Energy. Under the ticker NXE, they're currently up almost 10%, followed by Telecom Argentina under TEO, who's up over 9%, and Aluminum of China under ACH, up 8.5%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Valneva. Under the ticker VALN, their stock is currently down 36%, followed by Domo under DOMO, who's down nearly 14%, and RLX Technology under the ticker RLX. They're down 9.5%. So that'll be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, bringing you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. I hope you all have a fantastic Monday, and we will see you back here next time.